Hello everyone. I'm Mrs. Ragiinee Ssomthankar, the director of English Learning Academy, and you are listening my podcast channel Speak English with ELM. My dear listeners, in today's audio, I'm going to explain with you the importance of time management. Do you find any anxiety issues as a student, as a working professional, as a housewife? Do you face some kind of mess up in your life? So do you know the what is reason behind that? Yes, I have the answer. All these issues are creating only because of the time management, lack of time management skills. Yes, my dear listeners, today we are going to discuss about the time management skills. What is the importance of time management skills? How to manage your time? Everybody has the 24 hours, and how you manage your 24 hours, that is depend on you. As you are working professionals, businessmen, or you are the homemaker, or you are the students, in each and every stage of life we require the time management skills. And why the people are not getting success in their day to day activities? They cannot able to achieve their day to day activities in a proper time period. They cannot have the good command over the doing activities in a smarter way. So the reason behind that, they have the procrastination problem. What is the procrastination? Procrastination means whatever you have decided the work activities on any day, you are not completing, you are not fulfilling, or you are not finishing that activities on that day only. So you are delayed for it tomorrow. So that attitude is procrastination. So when you start to avoid these procrastination problem, then you can become the successful person in your life. As a student also, you have to do every day, you have to do make your priority list, that what are the things that you have to do today, and you have to finish at any cost that activity, those activities in that day only. In this way you can manage your time effectively, and you can avoid the procrastination attitude also. My dear listeners, time management is a technique that will guide you how to effectively and efficiently manage your time. There are so many demands, there are so many distractions, interruptions are coming in our life, in the personal also and in the professional life also. But you have to manage in a smarter way, then and then only you can become a successful person in the modern workplace also and in the modern life also. So time management is just a process of planning the length of time you will consciously and deliberately focus your attention doing a specific activity. So you have to decide that how much time you have to give, you have to spend on one activity, and within that time period only you should be finish that activity. So this is how you can do the time management skills. In my offline classes I have explained so many techniques, that how to spare or how to use your time effectively. If you want to success in your workplace also and in the life also, in your personal life also, the then it is just depend on one's ability to efficiently managing their time. There are only 168 hours per week, but everybody is using those time span in a different ways. So it is just a matter of that how you are using the proper time management skills, then you will be able to manage all the work with the proper time management skills. And also eventually you don't need to run behind the clock, you will walk slowly and enjoy your work properly, and eventually at the end of the day you will get the satisfaction. Why it is important to manage your time, or to learn the time management skills? Because if you have the time management skills, then you can save the spare time span for you and for your leisure time also. You can reduce the stresses, because if you cannot able to finish your work activities on the given time period, then it will be again mess up your life. You will have to solve all these or sort out all these mess up. So that's why it can be ultimately reduce your stress also. You can enjoy the work also, you can get the satisfaction, you can have more control over your job and responsibilities. It can make the balance between professional and personal life also. So that's why all these things are happen if you just manage your time appropriately. My dear listeners, you have to always remember one thing, that to become a successful in your life, time management is only the key which can open the door of your success. So if you will not use the technique to make your time management properly, you face so many times the frustration, and ultimately you will face the stress. The successful people don't do the different things, they always do the things in a differently. So they are just following their time management skills effectively, and they can become a successful in their lives. You can read all the autobiographies of the successful people, and you can find that they are so much prompt and precisely follow the 24 hours, and they are very punctual in their time activities. So that's why always give a value and importance to time management. Certainly you will be a successful person in your life also. Thank you and stay tuned.